Devin Slavinsky, Virginia divorce attorney. Are you wondering how to plan your finances during a divorce? It's one of the most important steps you can take to set yourself up for a secure future. First, take a moment to assess your financial situation. Start by listing out all your assets, bank accounts, investments, retirement funds, real estate, and don't forget about debts like credit cards or mortgages. Knowing what you have and what you owe is the foundation of making informed decisions. Then, think about your income and expenses. What's coming in each month and what's going out. Be realistic about your needs, not just now, but for the future. Things like housing, healthcare, and even your kids' education are key considerations. Don't skip over the small stuff. Things like subscription services, utilities, and day-to-day spending add up quickly. Factoring them in can help save you from surprises later. If you share accounts with your spouse, now might be the time to think about separating your finances. Consider opening up your own bank account, updating your direct deposit information, and consider monitoring any shared credit cards. It's also a good idea to gather all documentation up front. That means tax returns, pay stubs, statements or credit cards, and even things like insurance policies or appraisals for valuable items. The more organized you are, the smoother the process becomes. And don't forget to think long term. Look at how decisions in the divorce settlement will affect you down the road. For example, will your retirement account stay intact? Is there alimony or child support to consider? A financial planner can help you see the bigger picture. Remember, you don't have to go through this process alone. Our team is just a phone call away, and we'd be happy to set up a discovery call.